Hello. Today's word is ridiculous. I've seen many Indian speakers pronouncing it wrong. The English is very good, but they usually say it ridiculous. It's not ridiculous, it's ridiculous. Now let's break down the sounds and try to understand how to say it properly. We will also learn the meaning and the usage of this word. It's a four-syllable words and the sounds are like this. R, D, K, Y, less. Here there are schwa sound. Y, less. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. And you see that I'm stressing on the second syllable. D. So if you want to understand these symbols, I will post the link for the lesson in the description. You can learn the sounds there. Ridiculous means very silly, unreasonable, or deserving to be laughed at. Something you think is so silly that it's not worth taking serious and you simply laugh at that. These are the different forms of ridiculous. Ridiculous itself is an adjective, ridiculously is adverb, and ridiculousness is a noun. Let's see the usage. Ridiculous adjective, that idea is ridiculous. So here it's describing the idea, which is a noun. So ridiculous is adjective. It's ridiculous to pay so much for a simple shirt. His excuse sounded ridiculous. Ridiculously, adverb. The movie was ridiculously funny. This phone is ridiculously expensive. Can you try making sentence with ridiculous and ridiculously and share it in the comments? And in the end, the last form, ridiculousness. Everyone laughed at the ridiculousness of the situation. Please make your sentences and share them in the comments. And what's one word you find difficult to pronounce in the professional meetings? Share it in the comments and I'll make a lesson on that. Until then, bye and take care.